Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if there's no sound playing with your Windows 10 video editor. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would do, make sure your speaker settings are turned on down in your system taskbar. Make sure they are turned up. In addition to that, make sure your physical speakers are turned on, and if you need to unplug and plug them back in, check for that. And if you're working in other browsers as well, so if you open up a web browser perhaps and it's working in there, it's likely an issue with the application itself. But if you notice everything isn't working right in terms of the audio component, one further thing we can try here would be to open up the start menu and search for services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. Locate the Windows Audio service right here and double click on it. So you want to make sure startup type is set to automatic and its service status is stopped. You want to select the start button and then select apply and OK to save the change. Close out of here once you're done, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be able to resolve the problem. Something else we can try here too, if we were to open up the start menu, type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Sort by large icons, so view by, select large icons, and then select sound. Select your speaker, and then select properties. Select the advanced tab, and then at this point you can go inside the drop down and select other audio qualities and see if that improves the audio output. And if one of them doesn't work that great, you can always test them here before actually saving it. And worst comes to worst, you can always select restore defaults here to go back to what it was before you did any modifications. But the default for me, and probably for most of you guys, is probably going to be 16-bit 48,000 hertz. It's going to be 16-bit and 48,000 hertz DVD quality. Again, it'll depend on your speaker and your preferences, but just giving you guys an idea there. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.